Welcome back. Since I've started this YouTube channel, a lot of people like us to send us stuff, and normally it's like, I'll get a message, Adam, love your channel, can I send you something? I always ask what it is, because like most of the time it's like, oh, my nana's died, she had a cushion with a picture of a giraffe on, do you want it? So obviously I'm like, no, you're alright, keep it. The lad reached out, he was called David, and I think his son's called Bailey. He didn't ask us to like, he just said, Adam, can I send you some stuff? He's got looks like he's got a Facebook page and an eBay listing thing. Can you say that? He said, can I send you some stuff out? It's 3D printed. Yeah, I've always been intrigued by 3D printing, because like in the future I bet you can like start to print like rare car parts. We sent some stuff out, I just thought I'd show you it. What he sent was a key ring. You say that as I'm focusing. Look at that. I'll use this. Is that recording? Some little badges. I think this is a cigarette lighter cap cover thing. I'm guessing with 3D printing, like it's not quite there. Like the finish on this, it's good. Do you know what I mean? But it's not like this is however they made plastic, right? This is like nice and smooth, and yeah, I'll get this on again. See, it's like nice and smooth. Whereas this has got like layers. Do you know what I mean? You can see where it's been built up. I mean, it's cool, don't get us wrong. It's impressive what you can do in your house now though, isn't it? Like with little printers and that. They can print metal now, like titaniums and stuff like that. And look at these little badges. You stick them like on your wing or something. But I just thought I'd give you a look anyway. If you're interested, then check out David and Bailey's social media. We're going to fit this. Quality of mind. We'll pull it out. If it starts to rain, then we'll pull it back in. If it's raining, we'll go back in. Just getting a screwdriver, I'll be right back. Got 2 screwdrivers. Before we start, right, what do you think of my fence what I've just built? Looks alright, doesn't it? Right, so if you see my last video, right, I went down to see a lad called Tony and we picked up this. It's a genuine barn place. And I showed you around this place. It was a cool place, got some like really good feedback type stuff on it, do you know what I mean? My car, right, if you didn't see that video, it's got the wrong, this bit's the wrong bit on mine. It should have this bit. We also got this off Tony. This is the wrong bit on mine. You see this hazard light button, that should be square, like that. So, do you know what I mean? It's just a pretty simple job. You just got to take some screws out and put some screws in and do some electrical stuff, and that's about it. Just take the screws out here. That's one bit. Then to take this bit off, there's just like 1 screw. Right, let's have a look how this stalk comes off, 2 screws. Just take them connectors off. Old and new. We'll just check the connectors are the same, just because we need to know it's going to fit, really, didn't we? We didn't want to plug it in, then it'll all go haywire and stuff like that. Looks the same to me. You might laugh, right? But every time I see someone with a proper switch on, I always think that's a clean cosy, that's got the proper switch. I've always kind of like, it's always spoilt mine a bit to me, not having the proper connect, the proper hazard light switch. Sad, isn't it? Look at that, man, the square switch. What's next, man? What's next? Shit. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to put the screws on and we're just going to check it works. Do you know what I mean? Looking for my screwdriver, man. Just going to check it all works. Get in there, man. Oh, piss off, man. Sitting in the car, man. What's wrong with you? Oh, give out, man. I'll put the keys in. We can test the switch now anyway, so we'll put the keys in. You ready? No, man, what are you doing? Bloody alarm. Right. Turn that music off, I'll not get monetized. Ignition on, right? So what have we got? I don't even know what the stock does. Hazards. Indicators. Flashing. If you're watching this, right, and you're thinking, why on earth has Adam had a video? Oh, by the way, we've got this from Tony. This is like the proper cowl for the square switch. It's also got more texture. Like the sapphire, this is a sapphire one. See, it's like smoothish. This has got like a leather look kind of pattern on. If you're watching this thinking, why is Adam videoing himself fitting this bloody cowling and switch? Because it's fun to me. I like stuff like this, man. I like doing stuff like this. Get the keys out. The alarm will probably go off any second. Get in there, fellas, get in there. Put that screw in there. Still working. The plastic on Ford goes brittle over after a while. This has got like a tiny little crack in it. Can you see it there? I think what I might do is I'll fit it for now, then in the future I'll put some I'll put a little bit of glue on in the future just to keep it strong. Ba, 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 ba. Should have cleaned that like it's minging. I'll be right back. I'm just going to give this a quick clean. I got it from a farmer. It's probably got like a bit of chicken poo or something on it. Don't tell Amy I'm using the dishwashing sponge. Done? We're back. Nice and clean. Put it on here. Why is that not fitting properly? What is going on? What is going on? It's not quite fitting right. I know Ford aren't known for the build quality, but it should fit better than this. It's not the best of fits, fellas. Let's show you, right? This goes on there, like that. You see here, right, should sit like that. When you go to the other side, that's lifted up. Something amiss, there's something amiss. There's something going on, right, and I don't know what it is. And that's why it's doing this. I wonder if anyone out there has got a 3-door Cosworth, right? Take this bit off for us and have a look. Send a picture on Instagram, right? Because I want to know if I've got the right, this metal bit here, if that should be smaller, right? I'm thinking it's too tall and then that's not sitting down properly. If we look at like the old one and the new one, I didn't know. Like I could budget together, like modify that metal bracket, but it might be the right one and there might be something I'm missing. So what we're going to have to do is do some investigations into the situation of the steering cowling cover. Yeah, that clicked in there, but then that side pops out. I'm going to do some investigation. If anyone can help us with that, drop us a message on my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram below. I'd appreciate the help, do you know what I mean? And until next time, stay safe, stay warm, don't forget to subscribe. That, pull the car back, shut the door. Should have knew that. Oh, big thanks to Tony as well for the part.